Hey everyone, so I'm just doing a quick review of this lipstick that I bought when I was last going to Spain, and it's the one that I'm wearing now, as you can see, and this is one from MAC, if you can see that colour just there. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favourite lipsticks that I have been wearing, and this is called Fresh Moroccan. It is absolutely gorgeous. Don't know if you can see that there, but if you just look at the colour, it's so nice. It's almost like a it's like a frosty, goldeny, browny, bronze type colour, but it is so nice, and it's got little sparkly bits in as well. I mean, this really isn't doing it any justice, because it's night time, you can't see it true to its colour, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and what's great is, you know, you can wear this casual, you can wear it going out. It's such a lovely colour, and it has got little sparkly bits in. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, this is one of my favourite lipsticks at the moment. So any of you that are darker skinned, or even if you just like a pop of colour on your lips, I will definitely recommend this lipstick from MAC. I did get it duty free, and you know, I don't even think I actually saved any money getting it duty free. I'm just a complete sucker. I'm like, oh, makeup, all of a sudden I need new colours. So yeah, this is one of my recent ones, and it's lovely. Again, it lasts really well on the lips. It's not glossy, it's not matte, it's just a really nice texture on the lips actually. So yeah, I'm not sure if they do other shades in this frost, but this is lovely. And do you know what I love about MAC is, if you take back, I think it's 5 empties, they've probably upped it since I last done that, you actually get a free lipstick, and I think I've probably got about 5 empties, so I'll be getting my free lipsticks soon, which is always a bonus. You can't have too many lipsticks, can you? So yeah guys, just thought I'd do a quick review, one of my recent purchases. Get yourself a MAC lipstick, you cannot go wrong with MAC. I've always been a fan of MAC, and the lipsticks are the one. Okay guys, see you soon, bye.